Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford Expedition Max Platinum with the EcoBoost engine. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. So it does have LED headlight surrounds, fog lights, got the tow hooks up front, painted alloy wheels, power deploying running boards, dual panoramic sunroof. You'll see that it does have a tow package with a tow package cover over the receiver. Here's a sneak peek of your interior. See, there's a black leather interior. I'll go ahead and put the camera down here so you can see that running board deploy. It does have diamond cross stitch in the seats, along with black pinhole leather. And there are the rear seats. And this second row is heated. You see that it does have heated seats in the second row, and you also have a 110 volt outlet right there and a 12 volt. And you see just how massive that panoramic sunroof is. And you do have right there a keyless entry code. Okay, see it does have 3 driver presets, Bang & Olufsen sound system. There's your VIN right there, and I will upload still photos of these as well. Your kick plates, and you see down here that button in the center is a massage button, so you have heated, cooled, and massage seats in the front. Okay, and here are your cooled or heated front seats, as I just mentioned. I'm going to come on over here, show you that it has 26,822 miles on this vehicle. Then you got your push to talk, your cruise control, your stereo controls, push button start, trailering equipment, all in the same spot, which is super convenient. Okay, and then you'll have your phone charging station. This also has 2 USBs, your shifter. All right, and then you see that it does have a remote start. And your drive modes are 2 and 4 wheel drive, cup holders. And then down in here you have an additional 12 volt power outlet. Another 12 volt power outlet right here. And as you come up here, this is all touch screen. So your audio sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then you do have a heated steering wheel. Navigation as well. Okay, and then we'll just go ahead and put it in reverse to show you that it has not only a backup camera, but 360-degree cameras. Okay, and these are your controls for your sunroofs. And then you've got the glasses holder and map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this Expedition Unlimited, or excuse me, Platinum. This vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact up front and center. And it also resulted in a little bit of damage here in the rear center. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.